It was the stream key that changed. Okay, perfect. Now I should be streaming on YouTube. Yes, there we go. That's the most important one to me, because then I can get anything cool that happens off that VOD. Okay, let me see. Can I hear myself? That's the most important one to me. Okay, I can. Okay, but I can't hear Travel Within the Universe music playing anymore. Travel the universe with relaxation. Hopefully that's not too loud. I don't know how loud that is. Is it even playing is the second question. Yes, and it's like 10 times my audio apparently. Let's knock it down. And then let's knock my mic up a little bit because now I have a nice wireless mic. Okay. And then, now if I refresh this page, is it there? It's not because it's unlisted. No, it's not. It's not unlisted, it's just not showing up. Oh, YouTube, YouTube. There we go, I found it. Okay. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me see how laggy is my stream. Oh, it's not that good, honestly. Apparently, I'm dropping like so little. Okay, I have to stop recording. That probably is not helping. Okay. Now let's see. Does that up my my rate? Okay, wait. Was that only on YouTube because of YouTube player? No. Every single time I do this, it's pretty much exactly like this. Okay, let's see. Are we back? I can't tell because I'm standing so still. I can see my dumbass face in slow motion. Okay, it's not that bad anymore. Maybe it was just my poor laptop dying at trying to maneuver through whatever. Okay, let's move this to the left. Hey, just oh, there we go. Okay, now I need to figure out where actually is the comet. I'm gonna be honest with you, I have no clue. Well, other than the clue I talked about, where it's like up here. Where are we at, man? Shouldn't I be able to see it through my finder? I'm assuming it has a tail in my finder, but maybe not. Hmm. Oh, no. You see, it took me so long to get. Uh, it took me so long to get my phone on here. I deadass don't want to take it out because that is gonna be so annoying to put back on. Uh, but I'm probably gonna have to if I want to find this thing. Hmm. Yeah. Alright. I'll take off my... I'll take off my frickin' phone. Ugh. Okay. So from here, let's go up, 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 up. I really thought it would have a tail and it would be like identifiable relatively, not easily, but relatively identifiable. Ugh, whatever. Alright. Oh shoot, I'm gonna have to grab my chart. Oh frick, that's the one that I don't want to move. All that I want to do. Honestly, probably I should just take this off here. Like so. Oh, that's changed the focus. It's been a while. Let's just take this whole thing off. Oh shoot, man. I dropped the damn screw. I'm struggling. Ah, where'd the screw go? Can any? Oh. I heard it like ding a bit. Oh, there it is. Here we go. Ugh! And then let's put this back on here. There we go. And now let's go to Stellarium. Oh my god, it's okay, so it's right there. Like trying to match it to where my telescope is. Maybe somewhere to the right? This is like impossible. Somewhere right here. Maybe it really is not going to show up on my finder and I'm wasting my time. I shouldn't trust those news articles. I saw it say that it should be visible in a what's it called? I saw it say it should be visible with binoculars, but maybe not. This is the hard part. See, every time I try to connect this one, it's like impossible, but this one has such a nicer view with it. Let me see if I can connect it. Then after I try to connect this one, I have to go back and grab my charger because I'm gonna run out of battery. You know, it's not that bad actually. We can see it right there. Please. And then I don't know what this flower means. Stop. Does anyone know what the flower means? Okay, you see, here's the problem. I thought I fixed this with this one. But you see how this is the view I want? Ugh, okay. Let me see something here. That is the view I want right there.
If I can get that view, that is like, this is just so 10 times better. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm gonna need to go grab my charger though. Oh, I turned off my stream. Whoops. I'll go back and fix that. Ugh. We're at 8%, bro. It's looking dire. Okay, why does this thing not fit, man? Okay, there we go. So now I need to tighten that onto here. Come on. Okay. Now I need to locate it on here. Oh my goodness. And then I need to ask myself, why is it so... Why is it so like that? This is so difficult to set up, guys. It is unbelievable. Oh my god, it's doing the portrait thing, isn't it? Why am I being shown a video? I'm gonna lose it. Okay, left. There we go. But now, why is it like that? Why does it do this to me, man? Sometimes I'm convinced that this thing hates me. Oh my goodness, man. The downsides of being broke and trying to get a nice setup like this. More light is required. Flash might help. Stop changing it! Oh my goodness, I'm gonna lose it. Okay. Hold. I feel like I'm so close to having it work. Oh my... Bro. Live stream is just nothing right now, isn't it? That's fine. As I try to figure this out, because I really think this will be the best view. Oh. Okay, that is as good as we're gonna get it right now, momentarily. Greed is overtaking me. Stop it. trying to get it a little bit better. Ugh. It is so frustrating because I want something that my setup is clearly not capable of doing. My setup was clearly not meant for this. Okay, that is as good as we're gonna get it, I think. Can I get this stuff off the screen? Does anybody know how to... I want this gone. Why am I asking that when I'm not even showing it? How do I... I don't want the one-time zoom on there. Alright. Oh. It's actually not nothing, which is nice, but still aggravating. Alright, I don't see anything in the chats. Bro, I swear to God, I just need to buy like a $15 like actual carrier for my phone because it would make it so much better. Hello, Chris16BR. How's it going, man? Look, I gotta buy something to actually up the let me put back this and then let me go grab my charger before my phone runs out of battery. Quick emergency. Okay, there we go. Whew. I've got my charger in hand. I can't let my phone die. All right. Ow! Just banged my head on the wall. Okay, now let's hope that this doesn't break anything even more than it already has. Okay. And now, oy! How much charge does this thing have? Oh, nice. Okay, are we charging? We are charging. Okay. So the setup is still scuffed, but that's not bad. Now on to the next problem. Where the hell is this comet? I swear it should just be... You know what I should do? I should actually just use my other, like, mini telescope to really spot it. That's essentially what this finder scope is. Where art thou? Okay, how's it look over here? I mean, honestly, it might be better to even just look through here at this point. You see, it's so aggravating. Okay, that's nice. I wish I could move. This setup is gonna make me lose my mind if I think too hard about it. Because I wish I could move my phone down just a little bit to actually... to actually get something done. Or to actually make the stream look 10 times nicer.
But no. Here we are with our limited technology in the big 2025. Actually, let me see. Is my mic? I don't honestly know if the music is too loud, but I'm starting to think it is, so I'm gonna put it down a little bit more so you guys can hear me. One day you have, yes, please. One day I hope I will have a good setup, Chris. Look, here's the thing, Chris, okay? The setup is this Dobsine is not meant to be viewed. One, it's not meant for imaging, but the other problem is like it's just I have such a budget setup. Oh, you hear zero music? Oh, that's not good. How's that even possible? Okay, hold on. Let me up the audio a little bit. Thank you, thank you. Okay. All right, let me know if you hear it. Okay, you know what? Since it's already like this, I can just move it up here so that we can all look at the so we can all look at the iPhone thing. And I'm not bringing out my other camera because I can't even spot it with. Oh, I should have spotted it with my naked eye, but now that I've got that so particularly set up, it's actually going to make me angry to move it again. I'm not going to lie. It's actually so tough. All right, let's see. Now, oh, now I hear maybe. No, I mean, I had it really, really quiet because I didn't want it to put over my headphones, honestly. All right, back to scanning this to find the comet because I really do think I should be able to see the tail. This is my first time in a while using my telescope. Oh. Still have my other phone. You know what? That's a good. Actually, no. I factory reset it. I should go grab my sister's phone and steal her phone to try to use Stellarium to. That's not it. That can't be it, right? What are we looking at here? What's this? Oh shoot. Oh no. Even worse news. I don't think my focus one is aligned anymore. This is what I was looking at. It's just a nice little pretty star. Let's make sure we're focused. Okay, you see, there's a nice star. If I could look up and see what the actual star... If I could look up and see what the actual star is, then maybe I could figure it out. But like, bro, I am so lost. Okay, you know what? Let's open up Stellarium on my PC. Stellarium. Okay, now the music. Okay, you know what? The music. It's loud enough. We're fine. Stellarium. How can I do this? I'm really trying to figure it out. Is there no online Stellarium app? Stellarium web online, please. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there for now, and then let me go try to locate it on. Like, it's killing my eyes. Why is it daytime? Oh, because I don't have my location set. Please. Oh my god. This is an embarrassing performance to start off with here. Okay, there we go. No. Wait. Oh my god, have I been looking at the wrong one this whole time? I'm so stupid, I have been looking at the wrong one. Is this the one we're waiting for? Oh, for God's sake, it is the one we're waiting for. Oh, I'm just gonna go look at Andromeda now then, man. I can't believe it. I think I've been looking for the wrong one. Yes, this is the one everybody's been talking about. It's the A6 one. Goofy. Wait, no, it's not. Hold on. I'm lost. I'm so lost. Okay, no, so this one is... No, okay. A6 is the one everybody's been talking about. Is it? I'm so lost here. It's been so long since I've tried to do most of this, so... We're rediscovering it together here on stream. Okay, let's see if I can. I wanted to see this one here. I should be able to see it because it's got like a magnitude of 9.2. So I should be able to see it inside the Dobsonian. Because I've seen worse inside the Dobsonian. Comet. Is there a comet category? Nope. For God's sake. C 2025. Let's see which ones come up. This is killing me, man. Okay. You know what? I'm thinking I'm literally just gonna rip it around and we're just gonna go look at Andromeda instead. I'm gonna be honest with you. Because this comet ain't working out. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's tough because they honestly, their naming convention for these comets is fine, but what telescope did you get? Because my telescope it's a relatively big one. I had a big, starter telescope, and then I jumped straight into this one here. Okay, actually I should just be able to whip this around, and then I should be able to. I'm not that bad, okay? I should be able to find Andromeda, but let's hope that it's not too light polluted. Ugh. So the trick that I learned to find Andromeda, and I'm sure everybody knows, I'm not like not super crazy trick. It's to look at Cassiopeia. So that like that 5-star constellation that forms a little triangle as that little tail. Here we are, 1, 2, 3. There we go. And once you find that, you kind of just go. You go to the right. And you kind of aim. Like this little star, it should be around here. Alright, let me go see if you responded. I don't want to leave you hanging here after I asked you a question. Oh no, not yet. Honestly, it's probably also because my stream is probably so far behind, it's unbelievable. Let's go back to the setup here. Oh, what are we looking at here? That's one of those little double stars, I think. Alright, I talked a big show and now I can't even find Andromeda. Look at this. Should be somewhere over here. Because I do just want to see how it looks in this, with this setup here. Nope, not yet. I'm breaking my back on this setup. I gotta get a chair and bring it over here. They have the astronomy chairs, but I'm just not gonna get one of those, am I? Alright, let's aim it. I think it should be somewhere right over there. I think I'm looking at it with my eye right now since it's so good because it's a new moon. Today's a perfect day to go out. It should be somewhere around here. See, this is why. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Let's see. So there's Andromeda. See if I can focus on it a little bit more. And then let's see if I can take a nice this max night mode never works on this, by the way. Yeah, it brings out a little bit of the core, but then so if I do this, it's well, actually, let's see. I've never done it with this one, so let's see how well that can bring it out. All right, now I see your message. I'm coming back. I'm sorry. I didn't know what brand it is. My mom got me one, gave to her. Probably not the best brand, but we can get a better one, I guess, once we get used to using this one. Yeah, 100%. I started off with one that like could barely see the moon very well, and I just loved it. I mean, I'm sure you probably know. Like I spent literally like so long outside looking at whatever I could, and then I ended up going with. This one is pretty expensive though. This one is like a really big expensive purchase. All right, let's see. How did that come out to be? Oh, terrible. You see, it's because it never tracks it correctly, and I don't really want to spend the time here. You know, a more impressive one to show though is where is Orion's nebula? Where is Orion is a great question. I can't see. Is it? I saw it like at 6 in the morning, so it might just not be up yet. I will tell you, with whatever your telescope you have right now, the best and most amazing target to always see, aside from the planets, are what's it called? Orion's Nebula. Orion's Nebula is an amazing target. Of course, Saturn. Saturn's crazy to see. Even when you see that little tiny speck, it's amazing. Okay, I'm convinced Orion's Nebula is not out yet. Yeah, Orion's gonna be out at like 2 a.m. and I don't really feel like staying up till 2 today. Maybe I do actually, because the temperature is perfect here. I'm in Florida right now, and the temperature is perfect to be outside. Yeah, okay. Let's try again. I believe, this time for sure. I wish I could set it to like 10 seconds, because 10 seconds, then it wouldn't go out of focus. Is my stream down? I hope not. I can see it's buffering for me, so I don't know if it's down. Let me refresh my page. Ugh. I hope I don't miss a message of yours. There we go. I'm back to the chat room. Oh, all right, there we go. Well, you know, Andromeda doesn't look too bad on the stream. It could be. Oh my goodness gracious! Is it breaking or? I cannot tell. Let me take a look at the YouTube stream. Oh my God! It is. Oh shoot! Maybe it's breaking after I left her. Is it breaking or? Oh no! Okay, no, it's not. It's not. It's not. I have no idea. I don't know what's going on. Let me go back over there. Andromeda doesn't look too bad because it looks like it's overexposed on my. It looks like it's overexposed on my stream for some reason. Did we get it? No, we did not. I just want to keep trying my luck because I feel like one of these times it's gonna get a half decent photo of Andromeda. All right, you know what? Nope, not night mode, flash mode, whatever the hell you're doing. Stop. Night mode. No, stop with the flash. Go back with the night mode. Let's just go regular night mode, and then let's just take a regular night mode shot. That's not going to bring out enough, is it? At least it overexposes it. You can kind of see. So there you can see. Oh, that almost looks interesting because it looks like it's a star in the middle. And then you can see the other little galaxy over here as well. Not bad. It's not bad. I wish. Oh wait, no, hold on. Did I see? I didn't notice, but I think you can see faintly. Nah, I'm stretching it. But right here there should be 2 dust lanes. Like you should be able to see 2 different dust lanes right here. But ugh. Oh no, I feel like I'm just putting it into the image, but like you can almost maybe see it. It's Dobsons are not made for imaging, but it would be so nice nice if you could see. One of these days I'll stream earlier, because if Orion's Nebula is the best to see. All right. Let's see. All right, I have to go inside and do something real quick. I'll be back. I'll let Andromeda drift off the screen slowly. Andromeda, come back. Please don't leave us. When's the next meteor shower? That'll be fun. Is it this weekend? Surely not. Unban. Alright. Alright. Let me get up. Alright, let's go back over there. So if we can't see, I already looked at Andromeda. Is Saturn? Alright, you know what? Let me take a look. What planets are out right now that I can go take a look at? Is Jupiter out? It does not look like Jupiter is out, because it would be like the brightest thing in the sky right now. Do we try one more? YOLO max? Max night mode, and hope that it properly aligns? You know what, screw it, let's try. Come on. Oh, this is only 10 seconds, that's perfect. 10 seconds, I think it should be able to align. Maybe, because I don't know. Let's hope. No, not really. That's fine. Alright. Enough of Andromeda. Let's go over to... I prefer Sky tonight for finding things, but since I know I'm looking to find Jupiter... Oh, okay, Jupiter is not possible for me to see right now. Where is it? I didn't even see where it went. Yeah, no. Oh, shoot, Jupiter is... Is it big right now? Oh my goodness. I don't actually remember what I used to like to... Okay, I could have sworn I saw Saturn was out though, right? Oh, Saturn is out. Perfect. Let's go look at Saturn then. Now
Now, can this old man find Saturn? Let's see. Where is it? Where is it in relation to Andromeda? Okay, there it is. Oh, nice. It's like on the opposite side of the sky. Not really. I cannot see Neptune with my setup. I think I see a pale blue dot.
Shouldn't I just be able to spot it with my eye? Is that it right there? Oh, I see. That's Saturn, right? That has to be. Okay, that makes sense. Sure. Sure. Yeah, because is that Saturn? always the the confusion is, am I looking at Saturn? What am I looking at? Okay, I'm pretty sure that if Andromeda is here, that's the star, and then that's Saturn. So let's go over to Saturn. I shouldn't really be able to spot it with this amount of zoom I have on this one. Oh, come on. Why have we done this now? Oh, it's because this... I don't know what the flower means on iPhone. I really don't. Somebody, I'll have to look that up after this. Whatever the flower means on the camera. Is it like portrait mode or something? Okay, now let me point at... Oh, okay, there's Saturn. Right? Yep. Oh, frick. I think my charger's catching my telescope. Alright, let's see. Is that Saturn right there? Yep, it looks like it is. Oh god. Is that Saturn? I can't tell. Let me change. Where's my... I need to go back inside and grab a different eyepiece. Because this one is like a general zoom one. I wanted to try to find the comet with it. Alright, stick with me here. Let me grab... What one is this? This is the wide... Is this 10 millimeter? This is 12.5, that works for me. And then, do I have my Barrow lens? Where did I put it? Oh, there it is. It's right in front of my face. Alright. I should change the title before I clickbait some poor guy. I'm no longer looking for the comet. I've given up. I think the comet I want to see only comes a little bit later. Alright, now truly bear with me, because swapping the eyepiece, I swear, takes longer than anything else in this. Because it's aligning the damn eyepiece to my iPhone. Oh yeah, here's the Skywatcher. I love this one so much. This is probably going to be one of my favorite telescopes forever, because it's right before it's too heavy. Oh, I think I see a message from someone. I believe that's you. I gave up trying to... Yeah, that is true. I'll change the title to that. That's a perfect title. That is actually the perfect title. Let me... No! Oh, my poor phone instantly ran out of battery. I give up. Perfect. Great thinking. Alright, now let me go back over there before I run out of battery. Is this the eyepiece? Yes. Alright, this one should be able to see Saturn relatively well. I can't remember, honestly, because it's been so very long. Let's slot that in there. Come on. Does not want to go in. There we go. And now we have to try to locate it with this here. It's gonna be easier if I just aim for a light. Let me see here. Just gotta aim for some random light. Is that
light. Pretty much. Now let's take it out of 1.5, please. And then now I gotta try and fit the iPhone to please find the correct. Alright, there we go. It's not looking as nice as I'd like it to. Oh, no, perfect. Okay, hold on. Hold. There we go. Dare I say this eyepiece is almost nicer than the other one. This is the one that you should always be using with it. Alright, there we go. Alright, now let's get back to Saturn. And we should be able to see Saturn pretty nicely. If not, I'll slap on the Barrow lens, and then we'll definitely see it. But then we just won't see it as bright. I swear to God, if my phone turns on the stupid flower symbol again. Alright, there we go. Oh, yeah. If that isn't Saturn, I'm getting trolled. Okay, what happened to the brightness on this thing? Am I not actually aligned with what I thought I was? Please. Idiotically, I moved my... Oh. There we go. Now I have to figure out why... Why did the... Oh, is it actually just my poor phone running out of battery? That might be why it changed the brightness of it. Video recording not available in the phone. I get it, man. I get it. Okay, and then now let's try to fix the focus. Is that Saturn right there? I can never tell. Oh, that is definitely Saturn, isn't it? Actually, I can't say definitely. Nope, that is not. Yeah, no, that is not. Ah! Alright, there we go. Finally, after forever, I've got the eyepiece back on. Now it's time to find Saturn. There we are, there's Saturn. Alright, now let's lower the brightness a bit. That's not really helping too much, is it? It is just so bright today. Are we really gonna have to wait like 5 years before this thing does its nice rings again? Alright, I'm having to swap apps because that is too much. Astro Shader. There we go. Let's up the exposure time just a bit. Let's up the ISO. Okay, the exposure time might be upped a little bit too much, please. Usually whenever I can't... Usually whenever something is too overexposed like this, I change it to this app. 600 might be enough. No, we are still dying with light here. Oh, it's also on the edge, so it's probably not liking that very much, is it? It has been a while since I did the co-lamination on my telescope. There we go. Oh, nice. You can see the moons, too. There we go. Nice. All right. All right. Now we're looking good there. Always nice to see Saturn. It's been so long since I've looked at Saturn, but I could never get an image of Mars, to be honest with you. This looks amazing though. I like this. Let's drop the color down a little bit so it's not so bright, or let's just drop the exposure time a little bit. maybe we can bring out some color so we can all see color. We all love color. Oh, actually, it might be the ISO that might need to change. Let's do super zoom for fun to see if we can spot. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. Boop, boop, boop. Nice. Okay, let's zoom in even more. Okay, I think I might have lost it. Okay, there we go. I did lose it. Okay. It's just, yeah, today was a great day for looking at Saturn. The rings, I think in like, okay, no, hold on. Let's bring up this and let's lower that. Nope, that does not help. Look at how flaming it is. It's just so bright. I actually might just use the barrel lens because the barrel lens might allow us to see some color there. All right. Oh, hold on. Okay, no. No, this whole time it's been like oddly off center, has it? I hope not. Oh no, it actually might have been. It's been there, but it's been oddly a little bit off center. That's fine. I hope. All right. Let's get up. Let's try to see how it's gonna look through the barrel lens. Look through the barrel lens. Alright, now we're gonna have to actually see, am I still... Recording is not available. I've never once tried to record. And then it's doing this portrait thing. Try not to lose your mind challenge. I'm failing it so hard. Okay, now the question is, am I even looking? Let's try to see if I can spot... Oh! I might still be looking at it, or not. My phone might still be in the correct place. I don't want to try to move it yet, just in case it is. Just gotta try to find Saturn because it's so bright. Come on, Saturn, please. Please, speed, I need this. Because the issue I'm facing is with the barrel lens, everything is so dark. I'm not sure if... Let's see, did I actually focus it? Because this is right on center. Oh, hold. Hold. Old man still got it. I'm 22, by the way. Just gonna put that out there. Okay, now I have to locate where is Saturn. Okay, that's not Saturn. We're right nearby. This reminds me that I do need to fix my damn focus. telescope so that I don't have to suffer like this every single time that I'm zoomed into something. Let me make sure here. Alright, just going back over there to check. Okay. We're right next door now. I just gotta actually focus on Saturn, and then we'll get a less light image here. Come on. We're right there. The worst thing about my setup is that oh, there we go. Ah. Alright, before I do anything, what's the orientation? Oh, it's really off-center from my focus. Alright, yep, now we gotta up the exposure time. Oh, yes. It was worth it. I can already tell it's gonna look so much nicer, but look at how thin the ring looks. Oh, frick. Oh, I gotta unzoom. No, I lost it. Silly me. Oh, we're back? Okay, let's see it come into view here. Alright, now it's just flying by. It's got some nice color. The aberration doesn't look too bad. Okay, I'll let it fly past as I go back and sit down and go check something inside real quick. Let's let it fly past with this because this will do some nice little auto stuff as much as I can. Ah! Oh, it's a dumbass flower. I hate that flower. What is it trying to do? The chromatic aberration or whatever the frick it's called is 10 times worse on the iPhone app. Like, look at that. Even if I drop the brightness way down, then we kind of get to something respectable. And I can zoom way in. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh, frick. It's on fire. No, not cinematic view. Gosh. Okay, why is it resetting my settings every single... I think I just lost it, by the way. Why is it resetting my signal my settings every single time I come back in? Alright, let me go check this real quick. Alright, there we go. Okay. Let me go back over here real quick. Let's take a look one last time. And then what else can we go see before I decide to call it there for the day? So it should be somewhere... Actually, let me go back over here. This is much easier to find it with. Not with the flower on. Okay, I'm looking this up. When I go sit down, the first thing I'm going to look up is what does the flower do and how do I disable it on my iPhone for it to stop automatically doing that. All right. Okay, I wasn't lying. I'm sitting down. What does the flower do on iPhone? I have to know. Macro mode, extreme close-up shots. Yeah, to disable it, simply tap on the iPhone. Okay, I can disable it on the settings permanently, which I will do later. I like the macro thing. That's nice. So that's nice. It's nice to have that. That's actually good. Okay. Hmm. Four Saturn has flown off. Okay. Hmm. Other than me trying to find the telescope, or other than me trying to find Saturn or the comet, I'm not sure what much more I can do out here. I think that is where I will call it for today, probably. I'll probably be okay. It automatically turning on macro mode because I think it senses the eyepiece is so close that it's like, all right, there's only one option. Something's really close to me. Let's turn on macro mode. I don't think Jupiter's out. I could never ever look at Mars with my setup anyway. Like, I swear I've tried so many different times and then it resets my settings again. All my apps are trying to make me angry today. Alright, there we go. Actually, let me unzoom in and then we can see a nice little flyby before I go. Or I'm gonna go inside real quick. And then I will call it a day. Then maybe I'll be back tomorrow. Because the weather's finally getting nicer today again, and it's gonna be, what is it called? It's gonna be in the season to actually see things. You know what I mean? Because winter's coming. Then you can see Orion at a great time. You can see Andromeda. You can see all the what is it called? You can see all the a bunch of different galaxies as well. You'll see Jupiter, Saturn. All those things are the plan. Alright. And I have my star tracker, so I will be trying, even though it's not the greatest setup, I will be trying to see with my camera if I can spot anything. Oh, is Saturn gone? Alright, we'll get a little bit more. This isn't even that nice of a flyby though. Two times zoom is so much nicer. Is it slowly coming? Oh my god, look at it there. It's so cinematic. Alright guys. Let's take a look to see if there's anything else today. Then after that, I think I will log off. Just a little fun stream. Appreciate it. Appreciate you, Chris. Thank you. Thank you for chatting. I think that is where I will call it for today. How long has it been? It's only been like an hour. But, it's only been an hour stream. It's honestly not been that long. But I could probably go for like another hour, but I just wanted to do a little test run, set back up all this stuff. Tomorrow I might be on for a little bit longer. I will see you all probably tomorrow, though. I'll probably try and stream the weekends again. I wanted to try to stream the weekends before. I'll probably try to stream Fridays, Saturdays. And yeah, I'll be streaming more often now because the weather's not absolutely fuming and humid out here. But, and then I'll find the energy to put in my bottom left cam, so maybe we can catch some really bright comets, or not comets, meteors. All right,
See you guys later.